Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live stream where I trade binary option live. If you did lose this live stream, probably either you did not subscribe my channel or you have forgot to turn on the bell notification. Because if you turn on the bell notification, you will never lose a live stream from me. Okay? Second of all, if you want to trade together with me in my live stream, it's much more fun, of course, if you have something to trade with. So below the video, you'll find a link to this broker, and also you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Now, in this live stream, I did actually do 9 trades. So we did a little more trades. Last few, we have done a few trades, but when you start to come up to close to 10, I'm quite happy with that. And yes, we did turn profit. Let's take a look at the trades we have done today. Let's push my trades. So as you can see, we did all the trades you see from here up to here. So we did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners out of 9 trades. So around 70%. That is good in my book. So our profit today is 323. If we then also we have the possibility to take this cashback you see up here, because we get cashback on every single trade. So we can just push that one there now, will be added here. That was $32 extra. So if we put that in top of what we had from before, we had $355 profit. Now, I will also explain to you very fast how we trade. As you can see here, I did basically mark the end of the live stream, so you can see how fast I make video number 2. Let's close that one. So here you can see basically I just trading down on this green line here. So that means every time your bar come down to that line here in 2:14.08, I will just push the up button. It's that simple on a 30-second close. So it's very simple to follow my live streams. And it's very easy to take the same trades like me, because you see now we are just sitting waiting till the bar come down to the green line. So that's how we did make money in this live stream. So no, I do not have 100% win rate. If anyone come and tell you they have 100% win rate, that is pure bullshit. My win rate over a little more than 1.5 year, and that is all live, so people have seen my trades. I have a win rate around 75%. This month is closer to little below 70, so we've done a little worse, but again now, this live stream we did around 70, so that's where we are laying around now. But still, we are printing money and we are making good money. So with that, I hope I see you tomorrow. Make sure you open accounts, you can trade together with me, and let's make some money together. And yes, I do have a chat open. I do reply everyone that's right there. So if you have any questions while I'm trading, you are free to ask me anything you want. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you tomorrow.